Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is the newest pressed florals collection being released for spring with the Happy Planner. I showed you guys kind of the bits that came along with it, but here I am. I'm going to show you the detailed flip through of everything in here. All right, let's get started. First off in this collection is the big 18-month vertical layout planner. Look at those really gorgeous pink plastic discs. I love the color of that. And on the front it says seek beauty in all things, and you've got the lovely pressed florals design on the front. I really like the inside cover as well. So there is the cover page and the year at a glance. And the, ooh, these looks different than the other ones. I like that. So there is the currently page, and then the first divider for July. The monthly spread. You've got a bit of color in there, so there's the yellow with like a little bit of paint splatter, the stripe down the middle, and then the month. And the vertical layout. So you've got a bit of color on the top there for the dates, and then color down this the middle as well. So there is a little bit more color in here, and then you've got a quote, "Great things can happen when you have the courage to be yourself." Oh, so then there is the divider for August, and August is pink, so you've got the pink colors instead of yellow, and again pink for the days, and then down the middle as well. And then for September, oh, I love this divider. I believe, I'm gonna guess that the color is green. Yes, because I feel like the color here matches the color with the currently. So yes, the dates are green and the stripe down the middle is green. Perfect. And then October. So I believe the colors of the monthly pages are going to be yellow, pink, and green, and I really like that. So I'll take you guys through the dividers now. So that is October. November. I really like that. December. Beautiful. January. Oh, February is gorgeous. March. I love that there's a mix of flowers that have been drawn in as well as real florals. Very pretty. May. Embrace your own pace. I love the bright yellow of that one. Oh, those are pretty. This is beautiful. That is beautiful. They're all so pretty. I want to feel as free as the flowers. Oh, and you've got a bit of gold foil there. And then December, I love this color combination. And then the last page is a notes page. I really like that notes page. I love just the little floral up at the top there. And then that is the back cover. So that is the big 18-month vertical. The next planner we have here is another 18-month planner, but this one is a classic. And I will cut these out here. Unfortunately, when I got my box, the bottom disc broke. So I am one disc short on this one. So that wasn't the Happy Planner's fault. It was just the way that it was shipped. So I'm going to zoom in here. So again, it's the 18-month classic horizontal, and it says live life in full bloom. That is the cover page. Year at a glance. I love the look of these year at a glance pages with you've got every day of the year. Then you've got July, and I believe the monthly is going to look the same as the big Happy Planner. And then the horizontal, ooh, so the colors are on the lines here. Very nice. And then August, so I'm guessing the color is going to be pink like it was in the big. And then the lines here are going to be pink. Really pretty. Very soft colors. And then I believe, oh, I really like that divider. And then September will be green. So those are the colors that are gonna be in the weekly, and the monthly will be the pink, yellow, and the green. So I'll take you guys now through the different monthly dividers. So there's October, November, December, I love that one, January, February, March, April, May, June, I love June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And then I think one of my favorite things is the notes page on the back. So that is the classic horizontal 18-month planner. The next one, there is a happy journal that goes along with this, and I love the yellow discs. They are such a cute color. And this is a guided happy journal. So there are 80 sheets in here, so there's 20 sheets between each divider. So the sheets look like this. Oh. So what challenges lie ahead that you can face this week? Choose a place, feeling, or idea. And this is what each day looks like. I don't use a guided journal per se, but for anybody who's not familiar with journaling, this would be a great start for you. I feel like for me personally, this is a lot to do for each day, so it may not necessarily work for me. I love this notes page. And then it repeats, so then you get about, I believe about 20 sheets in each, and I think, what did they say, 80 sheets. So I have no idea how many weeks that would be, but this is the second divider. And the colors in here, oh, blue and yellow. Love that, the blue and yellow. Really, really pretty. Having a hard time turning the pages. And then the third divider, this one is orange. Oh, very nice. And then the last divider is this, and it's pink. I love that they've chosen different colors for each divider. So for every 20 pages, really nice. Really, really nice. And then the very back page is that, and then it says plan a happy life. So that is the inspiration happy journal, and it says happiness blooms from within. And then lastly, for planners, we've got a mini here, a mini dashboard layout. So it's got these really, really cute pink discs, mini discs here. And then it says Just Bloom on the front. There's the cover page, the year at a glance. Really like this in mini size. And this is, sorry, not an 18-month planner, a 12-month planner. The minis are always a 12-month planner. And then it says, wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. There you go. And then the dashboard. So then the colored parts of the dashboard layout are the errands, the bullet points here, focus, and there. So I believe the colors are going to be the same as what they had in the big and the classic. They're going to be yellow, pink, and green. Yep, so there's pink. There we go. And yes, green. So those are the themes for the mini. And then I will take you through each of the dividers. So let us live like flowers. Oh, I like that for October. November. I really love the photography that they've used for this collection. Really, just the way that the florals have been flat laid, and the florals that they use in the colors are absolutely beautiful. Love that. And then June, oh, my favorite one. And then the back page is the notes page. So that is the mini dashboard layout. So we've got a few more things here, and I'll just take you guys through that. So these are the sticker books and the accessories that come with the Pressed Florals collection. I'll put these to the side here. The first is the Planner Accessories Companion Pack. So it comes with the same things that the Indigo Planner Accessories Companion Pack came with, but obviously in the Pressed Florals theme. So you've got the Intention bracelet. Love the yellow, but it's gold. Ooh, really cute. And then you've got the storage folder that says Choose Joy. You've got, organized differently here, these. I love these. Love the design of them and love the colors. Don't know what I use. What do you guys use these for? I don't use these, but I think they're really cute. And then you've got the, I believe this is the, okay, the vision boards. I always recommend, if you want to use these over again, just laminate them so you can dry erase and use them over again. But then it also comes with a dry erase board, and it looks like it's an hourly schedule. Oh, I like that. I really like that. And then you could use that over and over again. So really good, actually. I think that would be great for kids on a day-to-day basis, especially like during summer vacation. Then you've got the, ooh, the 2 sticker pages. Love those florals. And then the boxes that go with it. And then the note sheets. So you've got this note sheet that has the lined paper in the front and lined on the back with some of the florals there. And then I believe there is a second design. Yep. Second design is almost like a meal plan. You've got the days of the week here, lined paper here, and then dot grid on the back. What I love about these companion accessories packs is that they give you different layouts and designs for the note paper so that you can customize it any way that you'd like. So that is the Planner Companion Accessories pack. Next, ooh, this pen case. Love this pen case. You can fit this into a classic or on top of a classic or big planner, but I love the way that it looks like it's painted and has marker and pencil crayon. Just beautiful, and enough here to hold your pens and have it with you. I would actually use this as like a little purse on top of my planner. Then we've got dashboards here. Oh, and they're in the style of the 3 dividers that I love the most. So I love this yellow dashboard. And just remember that when you have these, there is a film that you can remove from there. So make sure that when you do purchase these, you remove that. Then Just Bloom. And then lastly, She Loves the Smell of Coffee, Bloomed Roses, and New Beginnings. Love those. I didn't think I would need dashboards like these, but I love using these in my planners, and you know, I love to be able to flip right to the day that I need. So beautiful. Then lastly, we have the 2 sticker books. You guys have probably already seen my flip through of the Pressed Florals, but I'll do another quick one today. So I'm so glad I got a second book of Pressed Florals. Really love the different colors in here and how the colors correspond to all of the florals that are in here as well. And then the green foil. Love this. I've used this book a few times this last week, and it was so easy to create rainbow spreads with this book. You've got, I love that there's green foil, gold foil, and purple foil. I love these flowers. But these are my favorite. The blues and the purples, my favorite out of this collection. Very, very pretty. And then you've got all of the boxes as well to go with it. And they're all in the colors that match all of the florals. So it's so easy to create a rainbow spread with this book. And then all of the quotes. Choose Joy. I love that one. This one is one of my favorites, and the Starling one is really pretty too. And these, I love these types of stickers where they're like the long skinny quotes. My favorite. So that is the Pressed Florals sticker book. And then this is the accessory book. I'm excited for this one. With the accessory book, you get like this little notepad, sticky notes, and then it's a different selection of stickers that come with it. So there's some similarities to the Pressed Floral sticker book, but then you get these boxes that are different. Those that are different, wow. Those are different. I think the rest are going to be different from this point onwards. Those are similar, but they've just mixed them up in terms of the colors. And more quotes. Ooh, these ones are my favorite. I love them. Oh, wow. These are like photo corners, but with the actual florals. And more of my favorites. Oh, and mini ones too. Beautiful. So those are the stickers that come with the Pressed Florals collection. All right, guys, so there is the whole Pressed Florals collection. It is absolutely beautiful, and if you are a floral fan, this is for you. I will leave a link to this collection in the description below. I don't remember what date they're available yet, but I will leave that in the description below once I get more details. But thank you to the Happy Planner for sending me this gorgeous collection. And thank you guys for watching. I know this is a longer video than normal, and I thank you guys for watching all of these videos. I really do appreciate it. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.